In this video, I will show you how to make a logo in Canva. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here we are, we're currently on canva.com, and what you're going to want to do first to create a logo is come up to the purple create a design button up in the top right hand corner. Go ahead and give that a click, and normally it's down here already where it says logo, but what you can do is type into the search box logo, and you can actually add a theme to that if you want to. So for example, if you're looking for like a channel logo for YouTube, then you could go even further and put something like YouTube channel logo. And then what you want to do is click onto the appropriate result that comes back. So I'm going to go ahead and do YouTube channel logo for this one. Now what you're going to see, it's going to take you across to the editor. Now if you look to the left hand side, you're going to have some templates already loaded, depending on what you did type in. So any of these logos you can use as a template, or if you want to start from scratch, you've got your blank canvas ready to go. So for this example, I'm going to come to the left hand side and use one of these templates. So to add this, all you want to do is click onto the one that you like the look of. So you can just scroll through and have a look at which ones you want to use. So I'm just going to go for this one here. So the elements I add, you can actually play about with these. So you can click onto them and drag them about. You can replace them with your own images, add your own text. To add anything to the logo itself, if you come to the left hand side, you have got some options here. So you've got like text you can add. So you can add something here, for example, and I don't know, you could put something like, put your company name, and you can have that sort of at the top. You can use some of these pre-made font combinations as well if you want to. If you want to get rid of anything as well, just click on it and click delete. And to add your own images, what you want to do is come to the upload section here on the left hand side, give that a click, and you'll be able to upload your own files. Again, all you need to do is click on your image once you've uploaded them, and you can just move these about and put them where you want to on the image. And with the images themselves, you can do things like add shadows to the images, change the colors, things like that. So if you just come up to the top left and click the edit image button, you'll see, for example, I can add a shadow to this if I wanted to, like a drop shadow like this. And, you know, you can go into it further and sort of play about with the shadows, the angle, the offset of the shadow, and so on and so forth. You can do things like change your color, you can flip the image, and so on and so forth. Once you're happy with your final design, what you're going to want to do is come to the top right hand corner and click this share button here, and what you can then do is click the download button here, which is going to download this file. So you can download it as a PNG, which is the best format for a logo, but you have got other options like JPEG, PDF, and so on and so forth. Now there is a version of Canva, which is Canva Pro, which does have some more features available if you sign up for Canva Pro. If you want to find out more information about that, what I'll do, I'll drop a link in the video description down below, and you can click on that and find out what you get with Canva Pro. So with that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial today. I really do appreciate it. And if you would consider dropping a like below the video and subscribing to the channel. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.